Hi everyone! I'll be unboxing my GoPro Hero 9. Nabili ko to siya sa Shopee sa halagang secret.
Ano kaya yata eh?
So medyo kinabahan ako, no, kasi international galing Hong Kong. Pero parang legit naman siguro kasi may serial number. Tara, open natin. So here, dito natin i-open. Yun, open na. So, sa box ay may kasama siyang casing. Very good. Ganda ng casing, guys. Matibay. So, let's throw this away.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
And check what's inside. So inside are papers. We won't need this for now. We have a USB Type-C cable, mount, helmet mount. Actually sa ibabaw to dito. Kaso hindi ko to gagamitin. Bibili lang ako ng chin mount for my motovlogging. So let's put this here, and then the battery, and then screw. I forgot the name of this screw. And of course, the camera. Let's check the camera. This is the camera. Ito yung casing, guys. Tingnan natin kung may laman sa loob. Baka may pera. Wala. So I guess we can use this one para ilagay itong mga item dito, no? Lagyan lang siguro natin ng Velcro para may compartment para ma-safety yung camera. At tapon na natin ito. So set up muna natin. Here we are. Ito lahat yung nasa GoPro box, no? Once again, let's check the GoPro box. Can remove this one and use this as our lalagyan sa GoPro. Matibay siya. Quality. Look at the fabric. Quality, diba? So let's proceed. Let's get these tapes. Latang bago, diba? ASMR on. So parang lalagyan ko na lang siya ng tempered glass dito. Tsaka sa likod. Yeah. Good as new. So let's open the GoPro. At pasok natin yung battery. Okay. Tingnan ko part na to. May lines. So you have to align it here. Okay. Put that in. And turn it on. So let's proceed with the settings. Let's set this one sa recommended ng mobile editing. Let's set it to 1080p, 60 frames. That's okay. And then lens, linear, high resolution, hyper smooth is high, scheduled capture, duration, let's not touch that, bitrate, okay, let's set that to high, As we get to use this GoPro, we'll see kung ano yung mas better, okay? Shutter, auto, eavesdrop, para hindi masyadong light is 0.5, white balance, I'll have it as auto first, ISO is minimum, max is 800, I'll go with 1600. This is my personal preference, and first GoPro ko to.
What the fuck?
Sharpness low, color GoPro, raw off, wind is auto, medium mode. I think that's it. But there's another settings nga we can check. Just have to go back and there. So let's see the front camera. Yun. As you can see, you can select if screen is off. Screen is off. Or one status only. Nope. Full screen. That is full screen, and that is me. And that is my ROG phone.
Wow, ang bigat!
Let's select actual screen. Yan. Para makita natin kung nagba-vlog tayo, di ba? Let's see. Hello guys. That's better. Let's check to the other settings, preferences, general. I set my beep volume to low para lang battery saving. Then displays, I set the brightness to 50%. Makikita ko pa naman eh. And I think that's it. And I forgot to mention, yung GoPro na binili ko is walang kasamang SD card. No SD card. So soon pa to ma-try natin sa actual field. In-order ko pa yung SD card ko, tapos yung mga accessories pa nito. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, a thumbs up. If you loved it, give me a subs. Bye bye.